Hi guys, so in today's video, I will be talking about how to log out from our Udemy accounts. So let's get started. First off, we have a signed in or logged in Udemy account with us in here. So all we need to do is to go to the upper right hand corner of our dashboard. In here, we are going to see a circle. That's a profile link. Please don't click on that one. Just move your cursor into the circle, and after which, all you need to do is to scroll down in the squared box or rectangular box rather. All right, now here below we can see our logout option. All we need to do is to click on logout, and there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Udemy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and that's about it. Bye.